Hi, Joe Fowler here with the amazing Rolly Genie, the super sticky rolling hair lint super picker-upper that rolls, grabs, and removes stuff like metal on a magnet. Roll up the hairy mess your pet leaves behind. Dog hair, cat hair, human hair, any hair, anywhere. Rolly Genie rolls, grabs, and removes it. Then just rinse it and it's completely clean. Roll it dry and it's sticky again. Watch. Now that's sticky and ready to go. Give your pet a gentle Rolly Genie massage and roll up the loose hair before she sheds all over the house. Rolly Genie has a revolutionary soft, sticky silicone surface that grabs hair, lint, pieces, particles, no adhesives, glue, or sticky residue. It rolls, grabs, and removes it all so you don't have to. The Genie Junior works with all fabric to roll away lint and hair off cotton, linens, suede, silk, wool, or whatever you like to wear. Got even bigger messes? Then you're gonna love the Giant Genie. The tacky roller tackles even bigger bloopers, blunders, miscues, and messes. Add the extension handle and grab dust bunnies hiding throughout the house. Get up to nab those creepy cobwebs and dust from blinds and curtains. Reach under the bed and you might be surprised at what you find. And the extension handle fits both regular and Giant Genie to roll up messes big and small under the furniture or way up on the wall. Want to get your carpet really clean? Rolly Genie has deep cleaning ridges that penetrate and separate the carpet fibers. Rolls, grabs, and removes it just like that. And Rolly Genie never loses its sticky surface, so you just rinse it in water, dry it, and use it over and over again. Pick a mess and watch it go away. Rolly Genie works on any surface for every mess imaginable. It will save you hours in household cleanup jobs. Don't haul a vacuum around the house. Roll the Rolly Genie across the stairs, upstairs, downstairs, inside or out. With Rolly Genie, you don't need a vacuum. Just roll, grab, and remove that mess in seconds. No sticky tape to replace or refills to run out, so it just keeps rolling. Pick up the trash and save the cash with Rolly Genie. Just rinse, dry, and keep on rolling. Rolly Genie really is the fast and easy way to pick up just about anything because it's the super sticky rolling hair, lint, crumb, bug, and particle picker-upper that grabs the small stuff like metal on a magnet. The Rolly Genie Junior. It's great for quick cleanups, to remove lint from a suit or dress, or to take with you when you travel. It stores easily anywhere. The giant-sized Rolly Genie for bigger messes and mishaps. You'll also receive the extension handle for those hard-to-reach spots, both high and low. And get these slip-on covers to keep your Rolly Genies clean and pristine when storing. No replacement parts to buy or nasty cleanups because Rolly Genie rinses clean with water. Satisfaction guaranteed? The Rolly Genie, the Junior Genie, the Giant Genie. With Rolly Genie, you don't need a vacuum. Just roll, grab, and remove that mess in seconds.